Some out-of-the-box features which are exclusive to BigQuery are: BigQuery natively supports GIS or Geographic Information System for obtaining insights from your geographic data points using longitude and latitude. Using GIS in a data warehouse is very common these days, as many critical business decisions revolve around location data. For example, you may record the latitude and longitude of your delivery vehicles or packages over time, and then use them to track at which center or pinpointed location the packages spend most of their time. Having that location identified, maybe you can find some ways to transform that delivery business. BigQuery GIS allows you to analyze and visualize geospatial data by using geographic data types and standard SQL geographic functions. You can simplify your geospatial analysis, see your location-based data in new ways, or unlock entirely new line of business. Automatic backup and easy restore. BigQuery automatically replicates data and keeps a 7-day history of changes, allowing you to easily restore and compare data from different times. Big Data Ecosystem Integration. As it comes under the Big Data services of Google Cloud, hence it can be integrated with many of the big data services like with Dataproc and Dataflow, Bigtable, etc. By going through Dataproc, BigQuery indirectly provides integration with the Apache Big Data ecosystem, allowing your existing Hadoop Spark workloads to read or write data directly from BigQuery using the Storage API. Foundation for BI. Besides its supports for artificial intelligence and machine learning, BigQuery forms the data warehousing backbone for modern BI solutions and enables seamless data integration, transformations, analysis, visualization, and reporting with tools from Google and their technology partners. Programmatic interaction. BigQuery provides a REST API for easy programmatic access and application integration. Client libraries are available in Java, Python, Node.js, Go, Ruby, and PHP. Business users can use Google Apps Script to access BigQuery from Sheets. Security. Your data is secured at the highest level of security. Data in BigQuery is always encrypted at rest and while in transit. When you save the records, they don't just end up writing to a disk somewhere. These records are split into tiny blocks and spread across thousands of disks present in Google's data center. And further, each data block is encrypted with a different encryption key, which means if I walk into Google Cloud Data Center and pull out a disk drive, all I get will be few data blocks, that too encrypted with a unique encryption key. So all I'm implying is stealing the data is almost impossible. And now if I quickly cover the list, BigQuery provides rich monitoring, logging, and alerting through cloud audit logs, and it can serve as a repository for logs from any application or service using cloud logging. Through powerful federated queries, BigQuery can process external data sources in object storage, that is Parquet, ORC, open source file formats, and transactional databases like Bigtable, Cloud SQL, or spreadsheets in Drive, all without duplicating the data. For example, if you have a raw CSV file in cloud storage or a Google Sheet, you can directly write a query against it without having it actually ingested in BigQuery's managed storage. The data will reside in that service only, and you are just querying the data through BigQuery. You can run open source data science workloads of Spark, TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, etc. directly on BigQuery using the Storage API. The Storage API provides a much simpler architecture and less data movement, and it does not need to have multiple copies of the same data. Google Cloud offers a powerful data repository of more than 100 high-demand public datasets from different industries. You can leverage them, and in fact, we will leverage them in this course for your learning and training. Wrapping up this lecture, still I would say, and many more.